Hi guys! Today we are traveling to China. We had to go to Atlanta first and then San Francisco, and then we boarded on the 12-hour flight to Shanghai, China. So you will see a few clips of us getting all the way there. It was a very, very long journey. I ended up traveling on China Eastern Airlines. It was a really nice plane. The people were great. The food was okay. Nothing that I really was dying to eat, but I had to just hang in there for the next 12 hours. Here we are in China. I had to check through customs and then had a 2-hour ride to my next destination. So this is the Hyatt Regency. It is the tallest building in the city that we were staying in. It was absolutely gorgeous. Such an amazing hotel. Welcome to this incredible room tour. This hotel was absolutely stunning. It had amazing views. I was up on the, I think, 42nd floor, so very, very high up, and I just love the view. Welcome to the next day. This was our first day of work, and I wanted to show this view one more time during the daylight because it is still absolutely stunning. I couldn't get over how beautiful it was. We are going to go out to a factory today, so I ordered myself some breakfast because we had a long day ahead of us and I was trying to get over that jet lag. I met my boss down in the lobby, and then we headed to Starbucks to get some coffee to help with some of that jet lag, and then we headed into the office. After a very long day, we finally left the office about 7 p.m. on the search for some delicious dinner, and we stumbled upon this beautiful little market that had food and stores and boutiques, and we just had to look around and explore since this was one of our only nights here in the city. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!